वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का सोशल साइंस सेमेस्टर 2 13 चैप्टर इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया। तो इसके सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस इन फर्स्ट पॉइंट। विच न्यू स्टेट्स was formed from the state of Madras of group A? The answer is B, Andhra Pradesh. Second point, when was the state of Andhra Pradesh formed? The answer is D, on 1st October 1953. Third, who was chairman of state reorganization committee? The answer is A, Fazal Ali. Fourth, how many states and union territories were formed on the recommendation of the state reorganization committee? The answer is A, 14 states and 6 union territory. Fifth, on which basis were most of the state formed by the state reorganization committee? The answer is D, language. 6, who was the promoter of Maha-Gujarat movement? The answer is B, Indulal Yagnik. 7, when was Maha-Gujarat Janata Prasad established? The answer is D, in September 1956. 8, when was the state of Gujarat formed? The answer is B, on 1st May 1960. 9, when did the Indian Parliament separate the bilingual state of Bombay? The answer is C, in 1960. 10th, who inaugurated the state of Gujarat? The answer is C, Ravi Shankar Maharaj. 11, which of the following grain did the Indian government obtain from the French through negotiation? The answer is C, Pondicherry. 12, which Indian city did the Portuguese consider as a symbol of prestige? The answer is B, Goa. Page number 111, 13 point. What decision did the Indian government take to free Goa from Portuguese rule? The answer is C, to launch Operation Vijay. 14, on which issue does tension prevail between India and Pakistan? The answer is B, Kashmir issue. 15, in which year did Pakistani forces enter Kargil? The answer is A, in 1999. Question 2, filling the blanks in first point. The state of Andhra Pradesh states was formed out of dash state? The answer is Madras. Second, dash states was formed on 1st October 1953? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. 3, retired Chief Justice of the Supreme Court dash headed the state reorganization committee? The answer is Fazal Ali. 4, the bill regarding reorganization of state was passed in the dash of India in November 1956? The answer is Parliament. 5, most of the 14 states in India were formed on the basis of dash? The answer is language. 6, bilingual recommendation was passed in the Indian dash? The answer is Parliament. 7, when the bilingual recommendation was passed, the student of dash of Ahmedabad organized a meeting and started a series of demonstrations? The answer is Law College. 8, protest and violence demonstrations made the dash more intense and more widespread over Gujarat? The answer is Maha-Gujarat movement. 9, Maha-Gujarat Janata Parishad was formed under the leadership of dash in September dash? The answer is Indulal Yagnik, and second answer in 1956. 10th, Indulal Yagnik, who become a very popular leaders, eventually come to be known as dash? The answer is Chacha of India. 11, the state of Gujarat was inaugurated by the Honorable dash? The answer is Ravi Shankar Maharaj. 12th, Gujarat state was formed on dash 1960? The answer is 1st May. 13, in 1948 a huge gathering in Pondicherry people shouted the slogan dash at the French authorities? The answer is Quiet India. 14, Indian government launched Operation Vijay to free dash dash dash? The answer is Goa, Diu and Daman. 15, our constitution considers everyone equal in the eyes of dash? The answer is law. 16, Mirabehan Miss Laird was a disciple of dash? The answer is Gandhiji. Page number 112, Third question, true false. In first point, Indian constitution has accepted the sovereign system of government for the country. The answer is true. Second, the state reorganization committee divided most of the state on linguistic basis. The answer is true. Third, new Gujarat states was inaugurated by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is false. Fourth, Dr. Jivraj Mehta assumed charge as first governor of Gujarat. The answer is false. Fifth, Pondicherry was under the control of the Portuguese. The answer is false. Sixth, Indian government started search operation to free Goa. The answer is false. 7. The relationship between India and Pakistan has become healthy after India got independence. The answer is false. 8. Both India and Pakistan possess nuclear weapons. The answer is true. Question 4. Match the pair. Section A, B. In first point, Chairman of State Reorganization Committee. First का fifth answer है फजल अली. सेकंड चाचा ऑफ जनता. सेकंड का फोर्थ आंसर है इंदुलाल याग्निक. थर्ड, गुजरात स्टेट was inaugurated by. The answer is first रविशंकर महाराज. फोर्थ, फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गुजरात स्टेट. फोर्थ का सेकंड आंसर है डॉक्टर जीवराज मेहता. फिफ्थ, फर्स्ट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गुजरात स्टेट. फिफ्थ का थर्ड आंसर है मेहंदी नवाज जंग. Question 5. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. In first question, why did the question of reorganization of states arise after independence? The answer is, after independence, the princely states were merged into the Indian Union. We had adopted the federal system of Gujarat. Hence, there arose a question of farming and reorganizing states as the major components of the Union of India. Question 5 का question 2 है, how many categories of states were there in India when constitution was implemented? The answer is, there were 4 categories of state, namely A, B, C and D in India when the constitution was implemented on 26 January 1950. Question 5 का question 3rd है, when was the state of Andhra Pradesh formed, how and why? The answer is, the Telugu speaking community of Madras Group A state launched a strong protest for their own separate state. The government accepted their demand. So on 1st October 1953, Andhra Pradesh was formed as a new state of linguistic basis. Question 5 का question 4 है, under whose chairmanship did the central government form the state reorganization committee? The answer is, the central government formed the state reorganization committee under the chairmanship of former Justice of Supreme Court of India फैजल अली. Question 5 है, when was the law of state reorganization implemented? The answer is, the law of state reorganization implemented from 1st November 1956 onwards. Sixth question, how many states come into existence after they were reorganized? The answer is, the 4 categories of states were renounced and 14 new states with 6 union territories were formed. Most of these 14 states were formed. Question 7. Which meeting was held to demand a separate Gujarat state? By whom was it called? When? The answer is, Maha Gujarat movement started to form separate Gujarat state Indulal Yagnik and in 1960. Question 8. Why did Maha Gujarat movement start? The answer is, Maha Gujarat movement was started to demand a separate Gujarat states from the bilingual state of Bombay. Question 9. Of which Parishad was Indulal Yagnik the leader? The answer is, Maha Gujarat Janata Parishad was Indulal Yagnik undertake leadership. Question 10. Which states were formed when the bilingual state of Bombay was divided? The answer is, due to division of bilingual state of Bombay, 2 separate states, namely Gujarat and Maharashtra, were formed. Page number 114. Question 11. Who inaugurated the new state of Gujarat? The answer is, Ravi Shankar Maharaj inaugurated the new state of Gujarat? Question 12. When was the new state of Gujarat formed? The answer is the new state of Gujarat was formed on 1st May 1960. Question 5 का 13 क्वेश्चन है. Which areas were under French rule? The answer is the following areas of India were under French rule: Pondicherry, Karikal, Tamil Nadu, Mahe, Kerala, Yanam, Andhra Pradesh, and Chandranagar, West Bengal. Question 14. When did the French government hand over its colonies to India? The answer is the French government agreed on 31st October 1954 and surrendered all these colonies to India. Question 15. Why did Indian government start military action against the Portuguese? The answer is Goa and Dadra Nagar Haveli, Diu Daman were under Portuguese control in 1950. For the Portuguese, Goa was a symbol of prestige, so they did not want to cede these colonies to India. All negotiation and satyagraha failed, so the Indian government decided to take more radical step and launch Operation Vijay to free Goa. Question 5 का question 16 है. Which reign under Portuguese rule did Indian government take over? The answer is Indian government captured 3 reign of the Portuguese, namely Goa, Diu, Daman. Question 17 है. Why does Pakistan force entry into Indian borders? The answer is Pakistan force entry into Indian borders. All there has been no arrangement over line of control between India and Pakistan after attaining independence in 1947. Question 18. How many wars have taken place between India and Pakistan when? The answer is there have been 3 wars between India and Pakistan in 1948, 1965 and 1971. Question 19. Which agreement are signed between India and Pakistan? The answer is the Tashkent and the Shimla agreement have been signed between India and Pakistan. 20. Which are the major problems faced by India at present? The answer is caste discrimination still prevail in many parts. Communal riots are common. Many people live below poverty line. Corruption and inflation are increasing. Other problems like unemployment, economic inequality, population explosion, ranalism, illiteracy, etc. also exist in India. These problems have not made India a completely successful democracy. Question 6. Answer the following question briefly. In first question, why did the central government undertake reorganization of state? The answer is after independence, the princely states were merged into the Indian Union. We had adopted the federal system of government. Hence, there arose a question of forming and reorganizing states as the major components of the Union of India. The Constitution was implemented on 26 January 1950. At that time, India emerged as a union with 4 categories of states, namely A, B, C and D in India. The Telugu speaking community of Madras, Group A state, launched a strong protest for their own separate state. The government accepted their demand. So on 1st October 1953, Andhra Pradesh was formed as a new state on illustrious basis. In December 1953, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru appointed the State Reorganization Committee to reorganize all Indian states. This was headed by Fazal Ali, retired Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The bill regarding reorganization of states was implemented from 1st November 1956. Question 6 का question 2 है. Why did Maha-Gujarat movement start? The answer is according to the recommendation of the State Reorganization Committee, the 4 categories were renounced and 14 new states and 6 union territories were formed. Most of the states except Bombay, Punjab were formed on the basis of language two major linguistic groups, Marathi and Gujarati, lived in Bombay, there arose strong demand to separate Gujarat and Maharashtra on linguistic basis. On the day when the bilingual recommendation for the state of Bombay was passed in Parliament, a group of students of Law College in Ahmedabad organized a meeting and started a series of demonstrations. Gradually, this movement, known as the Mahagujarat movement, became more aggressive and violent. It became more widespread across Gujarat with series of protests and demonstrations. The Mahagujarat Janata Parishad was formed under the leadership of Indulal Yagnik in September 1956 with support from a few political parties. The Parishad demand a separate Gujarat state. The movement completed the parliament to divide the bilingual state of Bombay into two separate states, गुजरात एंड महाराष्ट्र इन 1960। ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है। ठीक है, अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ठीक है, तो हमारा सोशल साइंस के सारे चैप्टर मैंने कवर कर दिए, आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाके चेक कीजिएगा। ठीक है, और जो भी वीडियो चाहिए होंगे तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स के द्वारा बता दीजिएगा। ठीक है, थैंक यू।